If you would like to book onto a careers event, it couldn't be easier. Just visit JobsOnline, and on the landing page you'll see a number of varied links. Here you can see the Search Events tab, as well as an image that can help you search events. When you click into the events, you'll get an up-to-date list of events that are currently coming up. You can also change the dates that you're interested in, as well as the locations, whether it is online or face-to-face, and the different type of event that we offer. There are many events throughout the year, so keep checking back to see what's available. When you click into an event, you can see more information about that, including any bookings that you have made. If you click register and book, it will then appear in your bookings. You can manage all of your bookings, whether that's for events, appointments, etc., on the landing page. Just click into the section and you can see them right here. You can then amend these bookings or change them to suit your needs. We look forward to seeing you at our various events throughout the year, and as you can see, it's a simple process to book onto our many events.